In this video, how to add menu items. In the sidebar, click the menu item option. The menu item list screen will be open. In the top right corner, click add menu item button. An add new item form will be appear on the screen. Fill the details step by step. First one, item name. Enter the name of the dish. Next one, description. Enter a brief description about the item. Choose menu. Select which menu this item belong to, example, lunch, dinner, etc. Category. Select the item category, example, stars, main course, beverage. Next one, veg or non-veg. Choose whether the item is veg or non-veg. Enter the time needed to prepare the items, example, 15 minutes. Availability. Select whether the item is available or not. Next one, image. Upload the thumbnail image of this item. Variation. Enter the variation name, example, small, medium, large, etc. Enter the price of each variation. If you need more variation, click add variation and enter the details. After filling the details, click save button. The new item will be added to the menu item list and should be see the confirmation. If you want to update the item list, in the top right corner, click the update button. Update your details and click save button. If you want to delete the item, click delete icon. You should see the confirmation details. Thank you. Preparation time.